Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna embroider this cute elephant and I'm gonna start from his ears just using stem stitch. I'm gonna fill it all over the place. And today is day 22 of my 30 days embroidery challenge. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I have been uploading daily this month and just every day with every new project I'm keeping on to learn something new. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. And just filling up his ears outline with a stem stitch. I'm using all the 6 strands. Make sure your stitches are tight enough that not your fabric pucker and also your stitches look clean. So row wise, like I'm doing it in a linear aspect as a one single row completed from that starting to the end point, and then I will come back from there in an opposite direction but again in one linear format. You can see how slowly but things are coming up. I'm doing his face with the same stitch. Similarly, his trunk is also done. I've done it in a same single line format from his face complete to the trunk end. So just filling up the rest of the face and body in the same way. For the inner ears, I will be using a light pink after the things completed first. So here I am and all of his body is right now completed. You can see how nice it is looking. And it's time for his inner ear part that I have told. I'm gonna do the leaf satin stitch. Completely filling his ears, both the sides. Just bring your needle out from here and take it inside here. Make sure your stitches are close enough and none of the fabric show up. So Once done with the ears, it's time to do his paws, and for that I'm making the buttonhole pinwheel stitch simply in a loop. Just make a loop, bring your needle out from inside and put it in your center. Again, repeat, make a loop, bring it out and put it again in the center. And for finishing it, I will just tuck it inside on this side. And it's done. Now changing the color to the white for the nails, and I will be filling it up with the satin stitch. Once done, let's complete his eyes and mouth. So now it's time to fill up the flowers, and for that I'm just making the bullion stitch and tucking it in. Like, bring your needle out, push it sideways, wrap the strands 6 to 10 times and then pull your needle out from that. Just make it nice close over there near about and just tuck it in. So this way you create the bullion stitch and repeat it on to complete it all the ways, all the sides to make the flower. If you're enjoying with me the video right now, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video and also share it with your friends. This time I'm just twisting the thread a little, like making a knot each time I wrap it around the needle. Just pull your needle out and wrap it and tuck it in. So similarly, this is making different petals and my flower is getting in a nice style. So with this, now I'm gonna make the third flower, and this will be a little different than the both earlier. I'm just gonna make a lazy daisy kind of a stitch, but in a different style, as you can see. And just finish it up with the single French knot in the center. So with this, today I'm done with my cute little elephant embroidery. If you like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any video update.